sun, quacking loudly, having fun. Waddle, waddle, side to side, in the pond the ducks will glide. Little ducklings follow mum, fluffy tails a quacking hum, splashing water on their backs, all together in their packs. Duckie Days, they love to play in the water every day, flapping wings and tails so bright, ducky friends a joyful sight. Catch a bug, swim through the reeds, eating plants and tiny seeds, swimming fast with so much cheer, ducky friends are always near. When the sky turns orange-red, time to head back to their bed. Under mama's wings so tight, ducklings sleep until daylight. Duckie Days, they love to play in the water every day, flapping wings and tails so bright, ducky friends a joyful sight.